In this video, we are going to talk about synthetic division. Synthetic division is a shortcut way of dividing polynomials. Our example problem says use synthetic division to find the quotient and remainder of negative x to the fourth plus 8x to the third minus 17x squared plus 16 is divided by x minus 4. To do synthetic division, we use the coefficient of each of the terms in our dividend, and we must arrange those in descending order according to the power. If there's a missing power, we're going to use 0 to represent it. In this particular problem, we are missing an x term, so we'll rewrite our polynomial as negative x to the fourth power plus 8x to the third power minus 17x squared plus 0x plus 16. Next, we're going to use the coefficients to set up our problem as those numbers in our dividend. We have negative 1, 8, negative 17, 0, and 16. Then we need to find our divisor. The divisor is going to be the opposite of the constant term that's given in the original divisor. We had x minus 4, so in this case, our divisor is going to be positive 4. To start synthetic division, we want to always bring the first number down to row 3. So we bring down the negative 1 to the third row. Then we're going to multiply. Negative 1 times 4 will give us a negative 4. We write that number in our second row. Then we add. 8 plus negative 4 gives us a positive 4. Then we start the process over again. We multiply 4 times 4, which gives us 16. Then we add. Negative 17 plus 16 gives us a negative 1. We do the process until we get all the way to the last number. So negative 1 times 4 gives us a negative 4. We add. 0 plus negative 4 gives us negative 4. We multiply again. Negative 4 times 4 gives us negative 16. And 16 plus negative 16 gives us 0 in our last row. The very last number is always going to be your remainder. It will not always be 0, but it will always be the remainder for the problem. To finalize our problem, we need to look at the powers. Our original problem started out with a negative x to the fourth power. So that means that our answer is going to start out with 1 power less, which is going to be to the third power. Using the coefficients that we just got, we get negative x to the third power plus 4x squared minus x minus 4. Our instructions have us to write our answer including our remainder, so our final answer would be negative x to the third power plus 4x squared minus x minus 4 plus 0, which was our remainder, over our divisor, which is x minus 4. Hope this helps.